Hi guys, welcome to another video, and I have a box cutter in my hand, and there's a good reason for that because I ordered a M42 replica German helmet of Epic Militaria, and I'm so happy because it arrived today. So yeah, let's open it. Alright, let's just take this stuff off. This is like Christmas for me. I cannot wait. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and I'm gonna try it on myself on video. So stay tuned for that. Alright, let's take this off very carefully. It's probably the biggest buy from Epic Militaria that we've ever bought. Package is very heavy too. I'm glad it actually got here this early. This is a helmet that comes with the liner, the strap, or the helmet shell itself. Let's look at this. Alright, so got it open. Let's look at the beauty. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Here it is. A replica M42 German Steichen. Yes, it's finally here. Alright, let's try it on. Alright, so let's try it on here. I'll loosen it later, but yeah, guys, just look at that. Real steel. Yeah, liner. Oh, I've been waiting for this thing. Alright, so I guess I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Well, hold on. Just to make one thing clear, this is a M42 German Steichen. And it's called that because I've learned on History Secrets that it's a sharp edge, not fold over. And this is its own piece. Here's the split hinges for the liner band, of course, and I'm pretty sure you can take this liner out, if I remember correctly. Looks like it is, but I'm not gonna try it right now because I just got the helmet and I am so excited. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. So yeah, guys, I know I kind of ended the video on the last shot, but I loosened the liner a little bit. So yeah, I'm wearing it right now. What do you guys think? So yeah, you might have seen it from History Secrets video. As you see, I gotta get the flashlight actually. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to look for my flashlight. One moment, guys. Alright guys, as you see, ET64 on the side. Lot number 2407. Then there's the stamp. Okay, 1 second guys, it'll be black for a little bit. It's gotta untie the liner. 1 moment. Alright guys, so I've gotten it. So I thought that must have fit. There's the stamp. There. So I'm going to tie it back up. But yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like. Sorry, it'll be dark for a little bit. Yeah guys, be sure to leave a like. This is so awesome. Even though I don't care if it's a replica or not, it's awesome. Late war M42. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like. Comment down below what you want to see me do next. If you want to see me do a helmet collection review, which I have a couple helmets, real helmets, and then the rest of them are mostly plastic and paper and aluminum foil. But yeah, tell me what you want to see me do next. If you want me to do a birthday vlog. But yeah, see you guys next time. Alright guys, I'm so sorry, but this is going to be the actual end of the video. I just wanted to prove to you that this is not, in fact, plastic, but it is a steel helmet. This is metal. And also my fingernail. Yeah, this is a real Steihelm, but it's not original, but it's a real replica steel helmet. Or Steihelm. It's a replica Steihelm. It's very heavy. Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.